Sisley pen. I did not know that that is going to be this pretty. This is so pretty. And
ဒီနေ့ရောက်တဲ့ပစ္စည်းလေးတွေတွေကမှ Sisley Skin Care နဲ့ Fit Floor ဖနက်ကလေးတွေပြပေးသွားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ် Stay tuned.
To unbox Sisley. This is the box that it came with. We are about to reveal the goodies from Sisley. I'm doing with my one hand, so excuse me. Sorry. Right there. It's very chic. Nice. Let's see what we got. Sisley Paris, 2 ounce or 6 milliliter. This is the Rose Noir Instant Japanese. No, sorry. Genesis. I don't know. Somebody teach me. So anyhow, this is how the box looks like. Made in France. It's right there. That's the proof mask. So this is the authentic box, how it looks like. I got 2 of them. And I don't know what are they. So let me just... Oh yeah. Those are the little sample. These are the sample. Let me show you. I got more sample than what I bought. This is what I bought. This is the sample. 3 milliliter sample for eye and lip. So you're gonna use it really for a while. This is the Ultra Lightening Mask. It's gonna be good. And this one, Purifying Mask. It has 10 milliliters. You can use it for a while. What is this? I can't focus. Okay. Flower Gel Hydrating Toning Mask. So many of the sample. These are free. That they give us a sample sleeping mask. Oh, I need that. What is this? Essential oil? No. Yeah. Hydroxy acid. Hydroxy acid. How do you call that? Intensive version. It's gonna have a lot of things to try. I can't even pronounce some of them. Radiant Glow Express Mask Cleaning with the red clear like clay. This is good. I know, at least. This is good. Cream mask. And this one's for all skin type, facial buffing cream. And pure bright activating serum. Nice. Again, some paper. Smells good too. I can smell it. Why? It must have a perfume or something in it. What is this? Bath and wash. Oh, everybody needs facial wash. Everybody needs facial wash. Skin infusion cream, plumbing radius. Let me see. This is eye and lip balm. Everybody needs the lip balm in the winter time. I use up the lip balm like a lot. Body cream for dry. I'm dry. You know that. Okay. Glow primer. This must be the eye cream. So small. No. Anti-aging hydration booster serum. Good. So this is it. I only buy this two, and I got a lot more than what I got. Sisley, Paris, made in France. This is they call it mint color. Mink, sorry, M-I-N-K, mink color. Sparkle, made in Vietnam. I did not know that is going to be this pretty. This is so pretty.